Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Measure 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, and a pinch of salt before you begin. Whisk those dry ingredients in a medium saucepan so they are evenly distributed and lump-free. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 cups whole milk with 2 egg yolks until smooth, then slowly temper a few spoonfuls of hot milk into the yolks. Have 2 tablespoons butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla ready to finish the pudding once it is cooked. Pour the tempered egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan with the dry mix and heat over medium, stirring constantly so it does not scorch. Heat the milk mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. This usually takes about 6 to 8 minutes. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil and cook 1 to 2 minutes to fully activate the cornstarch. Then remove from heat and stir in 2 tablespoons butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla. For the silkiest texture, pour pudding through a fine mesh sieve into a shallow bowl to remove any cooked egg strands or lumps before chilling. Cover the pudding with plastic wrap pressed to the surface to prevent a skin from forming and chill at least 2 hours, or up to overnight for best set and flavor. Serve chilled, garnish with whipped cream or chocolate shavings, and refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.